Good morning, students. So in previous class, word problems involving simultaneous equation, that is on numbers, we have learned. Okay, then after I said on fractions, on age, and on article and cost, and boat and steam, and geometrical problems, time and distance we will read, I said. But before that, exercise question answer, the problems based on numbers will do. Okay, so let us start from number 1. In question number 1, open your page number from your book, page number chapter 5, 14. Okay, see question number 1, exercise 5b, question number 1. If one number is thrice the other and the sum is 16, find the numbers. Okay, if one number is thrice the other number and their sum is 16, then find the numbers. Okay, so first let us take one number, that is x, and as in the question it is given, one number is thrice the other number. So the other number will be 3 times x. One number is x we have taken, the other number will be 3 times x. Okay, and their sum is 16. That means one number and the other number, that two numbers sum is 16. So x plus 3x, that is equal to 16. X plus 3x, that is 4x, and 4x equal to 16, and x will be 16 by 4, that is x equal to 4. Okay, so one number we got 4 and the other number is 3x, that means 3 times 4, that is 12. One number is 4 and other number is 12. Okay, then see question number 2 from your book. The sum of two numbers is 6 and the difference is 4. Find the numbers. The sum of two numbers is 6. Okay, so let us take one number as x and another number is as y. Okay, so according to the question, x plus y equal to 6 and the difference is 4. That means x minus y equal to 4. I have taken as equation 1 and 2. Okay, now add that two equation to eliminate the value of x and y. Okay, so here I have added, and this y and y will be cancelled out. Okay, so that is equal to 2x equal to 6 plus 4, it is 10. 2x equal to 10, x equal to 10 by 2. So that is equal to x equal to 5. Now put the value of x in equation 1. X plus y equal to 6, that means 5 plus y equal to 6. Therefore y will be 6 minus 5, that is y equal to 1. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Okay, you can check it also by using the value of x and y in equation 1. X plus y equal to 6, check it by using the value of x and y. X, instead of x put the value 5 and instead of y put the value 1. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Okay, so what we got the value of x and y, that is satisfying these two equations. Okay, now question number 3. In a 2-digit number, the sum of digits is 13. If the number is subtracted from the one obtained by interchanging the digits, the result is 45. What is the number? In a 2-digit number, the sum of digits is 13. Okay. So, let us take that x plus y is 13. What is given in question? X plus y is 13. Okay. Now, here given 2-digit number. So, here let us take y equal to unit digit and x equal to tens digit. Okay. We have discussed before example number 2 from your book, unit digit and tens digit, and how the required number you have to take it already we have discussed. So, now the required number will be 10 times x plus y, 10 times x plus y. Why 10 times x? Because x is in tens digit. Okay. 2-digit number is given, x and y. Okay. Y is in ones digit and x is in tens digit, means 10 times x. Okay. So, that is why the required number is 10x plus y, and according to the question it is given by interchanging the digits. Okay. Just see question number 3. By interchanging the digits, what number you will get? What will be the required number? 10y plus x. Okay. This number will interchange, that will be 10y plus x. Now, here it is given, if the number is subtracted from the one obtained by interchanging the digit. This one from this, if you subtract this one according to the question, the result is 45. So, equation 3 minus equation 2 is given equal to 45. Okay. Let us solve this one. 10y plus x minus 10x plus y. Okay. This bracket will taken out, means minus 10x, this will be minus. Okay. 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equal to 45. Okay. 10y minus y, it is 9y, and x minus 10x, it is minus 9x, and it is 45. Okay. So, 9 we have taken in common, 9 of y minus x, 9 times 5. Okay. So, 9 and 9 will cancel out, then y minus x equal to 5. Okay. Now, let us bring x as the first number. So, x minus y, the variable, first variable is x. So, x minus y equal to, we have multiplied with minus. So, x minus y equal to minus 5. Okay. Now, substitute the equation 1 and 2, okay, to eliminate the value of x and y. Okay. Add equation 1 and 4 to get the value of x and y. So, here x plus x is 2x, and y will cancel out, and 13 minus 5, it is 8. So, 2x equal to 8, x will be 8 by 2, it is 4. Then use the value of x in any equation this one or this one. Okay. So, x plus y, it is 13. In place of x, you have to use the value of x, 4, that is 4. Okay. 4 plus y equal to 13, therefore, y equal to 13 minus 4, that is equal to 9. Okay. So, now the required number will be, just use this value in required number. Our required number is 10x plus y. Okay. Instead of x, put 4 there, and instead of y, use 9. Okay. So, 10 times 4 plus 9, that is 40 plus 9, and our answer is 49. So, the 2-digit number is 49. Okay. All of you got it? Then, we will discuss question number 4. Just have a look at your question from your book. Here I have not written in words, only hints I have given, and I brought the answer. Just see. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 5. When the digits are reversed, the number becomes greater by 9. Find the number. Okay. As before we have taken two digits, same as like that we have to take it here. Already it is given x plus y equal to 5, and the required number obviously it will be 10x plus y, and the reverse number 10y plus x. Okay. Now given that when the digits are reversed, the number becomes greater by 9, and our required number is 10x plus y, and when it is reversed, the value equal to greater by 9. That means 9 you have to add it. So according to that question, 10y plus x equal to 9 plus 10x plus y. So this one will bring this side. Okay. So 10y plus x minus 9 minus 10x minus y equal to 0. Okay. Now 9y, that means 10y minus y, it is 9y, minus x minus 10x, it is 9x, and this 9 will go that side, means it will be equal to 9. So now take out 9 in common. So y minus x equal to 1 you will get, and x minus 1, let us multiply with minus, so x minus y will be minus 1, as question number 3 we have done. Then add equation 1 and 2. This is our equation 1 and this is 2. Add these two equations to eliminate the value of x and y. Now 2x equal to this 2y will be cancelled out. 2x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, and put the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2 also you can take it. I have taken equation 1. X plus y equal to 5, that is 2 plus y equal to 5, then y will be 5 minus 2, it is 3. Now the required number, what is our required number? This one, 10x plus y. So 10x plus y, that is 10 times 2 plus 3, it is 20 plus 3, that is equal to 23, and this is our 2-digit number. Okay. Now have a look at your book. See question number 5 from exercise 5b. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 121, and the two digits differ by 3. Find the number. Okay. Two digits differ by 3. Remember it? Okay. Now the required number will be, if one's digit is x, that means in 10th digit it will be x plus 3, because the two digits differ by 3. Okay. So here the required number will be 10 times x plus 3 plus x. This is in tens place and this is in ones place. Okay. So 10x plus 30 plus x, that is equal to 11x plus 30 is our required equation, and the reverse number will be 10x, and this x plus 3 will be interchanged to here, reverse to here, then 10x plus x plus 3, that is 11x plus 3. So our required number is this one and reverse number is this one. Okay. Now given that the sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit is 121. Okay. So the sum of this one and this one is 121. So 11x plus 30 plus 11x plus 3 is 121. That is equal to 11x plus 11x, that is equal to 22x, and 30 plus 3, that is equal to 33, equal to 121. So take out 11 as common. This one will be 2x plus 3. Here also 11. Okay. 11 times 11 here. Okay. So this 11 and 11 will cancel out, then 2x plus 3 equal to 11, 2x equal to 8 and x will be equal to 8 by 2, it is 4. Now what is our required number? Our required number is 11x plus 30 and this one is 11x plus 3, reverse number. Okay. Now put the value of x in our required number. 11x plus 30, that is 11 times 4 plus 30, it is 44 plus 30, 40 plus 4 plus 30, it is 74. Our required number is this one and reverse number is 11x plus 3, that is 11 times 4 plus 3, 44 plus 3, it is 47. Okay. All of you got it? Just multiply on 11 with here like this. Okay. And now see question number 6. 7 times a given 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. The sum of the digits of the number is 3. Find the number. 7 times a given 2-digit number. 2-digit number, the required number is this one. And 7 times a given 2-digit number, this one, 7 times 10x plus y is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing. The reversing number is this one, 10y plus x, equal to 4 times 10y plus x. Let us solve that one. So 70x plus 7y equal to 40y plus 4x, that is equal to 66x equal minus 33y equal to 0. Take it as equation 1. Now given the sum of the 2 digits of the number is 3. So x plus y equal to 3. Take it as equation 2. Now add the equation 1 and multiply equation 2 with 33. Then after add these two equation. Okay. Now 33x plus 33y equal to 99. Equation 2 become this one. And 66x minus 33y. This one you have to add with this equation. So x equal to 99, x equal to 99. Okay. So the value of x equal to 1. And put the value of this in this equation. That is x plus y equal to 3. Therefore y will be 3 minus 1 equal to 2. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now we can get the required number. The required number will be 10x plus y, that is 10 times 1 plus 2. It is 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Okay. So that's all for today. Rest of the numbers we will discuss on next class. Then after we will read the word problems involving simultaneous equation on fraction. Okay. You just try question number 7 and 8 or else we will discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you.